Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Automation Hub. So today we'll talk about uh, driver.quit and driver.close, like the quit method and the close method. I will tell you like what is the difference between driver.quit method and driver.close. Like why we are using a close method and why we are using quit method. So as you can see in my screen, like quit method is used for quit the entire browser window, okay, and terminate the WebDriver session. When we use quit method, this will uh, close entire browser window and terminate the WebDriver session. But when you are going to use a close method, this will close the current browser window, right? So this is the main difference. I will show you how we can see, like how we can differentiate. So guys, I will show you right now for some demo example I will use to show you like what is the difference between driver.quit and driver.close. So as I explained, क्विट हम करते हैं यूज पूरा ऑल दी सेशन ब्राउजर का क्लोज करने के लिए, एंड इससे क्या होता है वेब ड्राइवर सेशन हमारा क्लोज कर देते हैं। और जब हम क्लोज मेथड यूज करते हैं तो ये मेथड हम यूज करते हैं करंट विंडो क्लोज करने के लिए। जो हमारे जैसे करंट विंडो पे हमारा जो कर्सर रहता है, तो उस विंडो को आप क्लोज करना चाहते हो तो ड्राइवर डॉट क्लोज मेथड यू विल यूज। सो दिस इज द डिफरेंस, आई विल शो you. Let's open Eclipse. So let's make one case. So demo 5 I can mention. Demo for close. Right. Okay, I'm going to select public static void main. Okay. So like this you can see one class is created. Okay. So I will mention web driver WebDriver driver equal to, I will use in Firefox driver. Okay, so Firefox, new Firefox driver, right? I'm going to use Firefox driver for this example. So once you will write this command, just import this Firefox driver. Okay, library, 1 second. Then we need to set the properties. So I have one program here, so I will copy the path from here and I will paste it here. I'm not going to do again. So here you can, I will tell you like system.set property. We set the property, we mention the location of the driver here. So gecko driver.exe, we are using gecko driver because I am going to use Firefox browser, right? So that's why we are going to use gecko driver for this. So as you can see, I added here. Then I'm going to launch one website. So for launching website, we use get method, right? So driver dot get method I will use, and for this I'm going to use one website here. Okay, so I will use for demo purpose. I will use this website. So it will take a few seconds, then this will open. Yeah, so actually I'm going to show you driver.close and driver.quit. So I will pick one, this one I will use. Okay, so I'm going to open this website, right? So I just copied here the link. Okay, after that I'm going to maximize my window. So driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. We write maximize method here to maximize our window, like browser window. We for maximizing we use driver dot manage dot window dot maximize method. We write this command. After that I'm going to click on one link, so the second window will open. Okay, I'm going to click in this link, so this will open new window. As you can see here, it mentioned opening a new window, right? So I am going to fetch this element first, inspect this element. So as you can see, click here. So this is the link. So I am going to copy this text first and going to create the XPath for this, or link text we can use driver dot find element, but I will create the XPath for this. So I'm going to control F, then A, okay, contains, okay, txt text. This way I'm going to fetch this element, right? You can see one of one, so this one is the correct one. So I'm going to copy this and going to paste here. Driver dot find element, I'm going to use XPath, right? So by dot XPath I will use, and I will provide the XPath inside this, and dot I'm going to use click method here, right? Because I'm going to, one second, I want to click on this link, right? Click here. So once I will click on this, so this new window will open, right? So that's why I'm fetching this element. So let's see. So I'm going to click on this element, right? So I will use click method for this element. So for clicking on any element, we use click method, right? After that, I'm going to fetch the title. I want to fetch the title first. So I want to print in my console. So system dot out dot println. I will use println command here, and I will write the page title here. Page title, right? This way, then plus then I will use driver dot get title. We have inbuilt method get title method, right? So I will use get title method here, and then semicolon. After that, guys, I want to show you the difference, right? Why we are using close method and why we are using quit method. So first of all, we let's see this program, how this going to work. So I'm going to run this class. So let's see. So window open, and this will open the website I mentioned in URL, right? So this will open the same website. Now link is open. Then you can see new window open because we clicked on here. So new window is open, right? And you can see in the console page title is the internet. So you can see new page title is this one, the current one, right? Because I didn't switch to this window. I just clicked this window, but not switch to this window. That's why this one is showing for this window title. If you want to fetch the this window title, so you need to switch from current window to the new window. So this is the there is another way to switch two different windows, so I will tell you later, but for now I will mention because we are clicking on this window in this element in this window, that's why we are getting the title for this, right? So you can see the internet, right? So I'm going to right now I'm going to use close method. First I will show you. If I'm going to use driver.close, one second, driver.close. First I'm going to show you how. If I'm going to use driver.close, so this will close which window? So as I mentioned here, driver.close used to close current browser window. करंट मीन्स जिस विंडो पे हमारा कर्सर है, जिस विंडो पे हम एक्टिव हैं, उस विंडो को वो क्लोज करेगा, राइट? सो लेट्स सी द करंट विंडो driver will close this. So I just run the program here, and let's see. You can see here. Okay, so it didn't take time. You're not able to see the action, right? That's why we can see only the one window, new window, because the current one is closed. I will provide here the wait. So in that way you can see, right? I'm going to provide here thread dot sleep, right? I'm going to provide 1 second wait. I'm going to provide static wait here. So this will wait for 1 second, then window will close, right? So just run the program, class again, run as Java application and window open. Okay, you can see it's open. So see, it take 1 second time, then the window is closed. 1 second. I will provide 5 second wait. I will provide 5 second wait. So this will took 5 second because I provided for 1 second. So it's just wait for 1 second, then it's close soon. So that's why I will provide 5 second wait. So let's see. So okay. So window is open now and website will open. It will take few seconds, then website will load. 1 second. Okay. So you can see guys, clicked here, it will wait for 5 seconds, then internet window will close, the internet. Yeah, you can see here because I already mentioned this, right? The current window. Because my cursor was in the current window, that's why it closed. I was not doing any task in this new window, right? That's why it didn't close. But my cursor was in the previous window, the internet window, that's why it closed. Because the current instance is closed, right? The meaning of close method is used to close the current browser window. So current browser window was be internet one, right? The current one, the internet. That's why it closed here. So right now you can see the new window only you can see, right? And if you want to close all the instances, I'm going to comment this and I will use here driver.quit. I'm going to use quit method here. So if you want to use quit method, this will close all the windows and this will close the WebDriver session. So you can see one window open, then new window open. This will close both window. You can see this will close after 5 seconds. Yeah. So you can see the difference. So difference was when I use driver.close, so this closed the current window instance. But when I use driver.quit, so this one closed to the all the window. All the associated window will close. Quit the entire browser and terminate the WebDriver session. So when I use the quit method, this is going to terminate the WebDriver session. So in this way, all the entire browser will terminate, will close, right? So यही difference है guys, quit method और close method में कि when we are going to use quit, so the current window instance will be closed, and when we are going to use, sorry, when we are going to use quit, all the window browser instance will close, and when we are going to use close method, the current window instance will close. The current browser window instance will close. So this is the main difference, guys. And this question asked multiple times in interview also. The interviewer asked what is the difference between driver.quit and driver.close. So you can say, you can understand this way, the when we use driver.close, the current window instance will close, and when we use driver.quit, so the all window instance will close and WebDriver session will terminate. So this is the main difference, guys. So this tutorial is for all about for driver.quit and driver.close. So thank you so much, guys. Keep watching my tutorials. I will come up with the new topics. So thank you so much, and please like and subscribe my channel, and Stay tuned. Bye bye.